Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Nematullah Koso from Department of English Language and Literature, Ramsand University Campus, Darkhana. My concerned teacher is Ma'am Ruzwana Jatyar. I'm here to present video for the final exam. Let me share the slides. Once again, my name is Nematullah Koso, roll number 25. The topics which I am going to present are linking words, summary writing, articles, summary of Unit 4, titled The Door Swings Open. Subject Functional English. Concerned teacher Ms. Ruzwana Jatyar, Class BS English 2019, Part 2, from Department English Language and Literature. Topic 1, linking words. Actually, the linking words are the conjunction. These words join pairs of nouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, phrases, clauses, and sentences. There are many types of linking words. Emphasis, the undoubtedly, indeed, obviously, particularly, especially, clearly, and addition. For example, furthermore, when we write anything, we add that furthermore also to, as well, that along with the contrast. Nevertheless, on other hand, while, whereas, etc. The order: firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally, at this time, following, previous, subsequently, and the result, as a result, and the consequence, thus, consequently, hence, etc. Illustration, for example, for instance, such as, namely, in this case, proof of this, by, etc. Linking words of comparison, similarly, equally, likewise, just like, similar to, same as. And a summary, linking words of summary. In conclusion, to summarize, altogether, in short, sum up, briefly, to conclude, etc. Linking words of reason, because of, with this in mind, in fact, in order to, due to, the linking words of condition, if, in the case, in case, unless, as we use in conditional sentences. The linking words in concession, all the same, up to a point, even so, in spite of, even if, however. Linking words of generalization. As a rule, for the most part, in general, generally, overall, in most cases. These were the types of linking words. Now, from linking words, we are going to elaborate three words: although, however, but. Although, if we are going to combine two sentences which are opposing or contrasting statements, how it could be follows. Let's see. Although, although he got the job, although he had no qualification. Means he got a job. He had no qualifications. These are the like some opposite sentences. One who has not qualifications, but he got the job. Although he got the job. Now the structure of although can be changed. We can the interchange as the we can pick although from middle to front of sentence. See, although he got the job, he had no qualifications. In these two sentences, but the order of words has been changed, not the meaning has changed. Though, though is informal. It means the same as although, but is the informal way. Though or although I like the sweater, I decided not to buy it. I liked the sweater, but I didn't. Uh, I decided not to buy it. Means there are the sentences which combines the though. Though is the form. Though is the form of although, but the although is the more formal than the though. I like the sweater. I decided not to buy it though. And although is a formal, we can put it into the middle of sentences or the front of sentence. But in though we can put the at the first at the front of sentence and in the last of the sentence at the sentence. Even though is the stronger, more emphatic than the though. Means this is not informal, but this is the more emphatic, stronger than the although. Sartaj looked quite fresh, even though he had been playing squash or ludo. Means he was playing the ludo, he was playing the squash. After all these, he looked quite fresh. And even though you dislike Sana, you should try to be nice to her. These are the types of the sentence contrast and that we combine with the conjunctions. Conjunction means the linking words which I define the although, though, even though. Even though is the more strong than the although. But is the conjunction also the linking word? It simply joins two sentences. It must go before the second one. The library was crowded, but I found a seat. Means the when I went there, the library there was a lot crowd, but I managed to find a seat. Qasim has a car, but he doesn't often drive it. These were the examples of but. However, usually means but. It can precede or follow its clause or come after the third or first word or phrase. However, as the meaning like that, but but it comes after the first sentence, first word or phrase. Let's see. I'll offer it to Amir. I offer it to Amir. However, he may not want it. I say that okay, I will offer a thing or a thing or the object to Amir. But however, place the meaning of here, but he may not want it. Summary writing. Summary writing is also a skill to start the a written passage paragraph, etc. Obvious summary is from the original written paragraph. It is the one fourth. We can do it the one fourth, not the any further proceed for example one fifth or one sixth. It should be the one fourth of original passage major ideas. Means that we have to pick from the original material the major ideas, not to include all the ideas. Art is not necessary. In this summary writing, that is not necessary to put the ideas in orders. There is no order limit. There is no restriction for the orderless sentences. And then we can use the direct and indirect speeches both. For example, in Parisi we write the one third. In summary, we can write the one fourth. We have to in Parisi take all the ideas, but in summary we have to take the major ideas. In Parasi we choose only we give the order. We give the order to passage which we are going to write. But in summary there is no order. The topic number third. Articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles and the definite articles. And we call the indefinite and we call the definite articles. Indefinite articles. Both are used with jobs and countable nouns and also singular noun. Examples: a woman, an enemy. In the definite article, it uses with the government, departments, holidays, inventions, historical events, unique or specific places. For example, the first position, the Mohenjo-daro. For the uses of the articles, article is continued here. Indefinite articles. The form A is used before a word beginning with a consonant or a vowel with a consonant sounds. We can put with the consonant letters or the words which pronounce the consonant the sound. For example, a man, a head, a university, a European. The second, the form N is used before words beginning with a vowel letters A, E, I, O, U. And the words beginning with H muted. An apple, an hour. The definite ones, the is the same for singular and the plurals and the for all the genders. Mean it has no that we put the with the genders the etc. But the only word is for all the singulars and plurals, all the genders. For example, the boy, the boys. There is no difference of singular of plural. The day, the days. The girl, the girls. When the object or group of objects in unique are considered to be unique, we can use the sea, the earth, etc. Articles also continued here. Indefinite articles. Individual letters spoken with vowel sound. NMP and SOS. means the words which are sounding uh, as the consonant. A and N is the same for all genders. Means as like the and N is the same for the all genders. A man, an actress, a table, etc. Indefinite article before a noun which has become definite as a result are being mentioned as a second time. Means the first to be mentioned before the person which we are talking, and the second time which we can use the only the instead of his name. For example, Kasim's car struck a tree. You can see the mark on the car. Means the mark is also we are aware. We are aware of the mark of the car. We see we can see the mark of the car of the car. Car is also particular which we are talking about. That's why we put before the of car. Before a noun made definite by addition of phrase or clause. For example, the girl in blue, girl which is in blue, the dress she up is blue. Articles continued, and the indefinite articles also used for before a singular noun which is countable. Singular noun which is countable, for example, which there is more than one. When it is mentioned for first time, it represents no particular person or thing. For example, they live in a flat, and certain expressions of quantity also. A lot of, a great money, a couple, etc. Also used with that certain numbers, 1,000, 100, etc. The definite articles before a noun which region of locality can represent only one particular thing. For example, Murid is in the auditorium hall. Means auditorium hall we already are aware of it. The omission of A and N. The omissions of articles. I've said that omission of articles. Before plural nouns, and N has no plural forms. So plural forms of dog is dogs, not in dogs, are dogs. And of N, egg is eggs, not n egg. Eggs will not be that case. N eggs. Before noun articles can indefinite articles also can be omitted when used before uncountable noun. Uncountable noun also here mentioned are the abstract nouns. They are advice and cake also. The omission of the definite article before names of games. Any games, he plays cricket, he plays golf, he plays hockey. We, we will not put the before games. Nature where it means the spirit creating and motivating the world of plants and animals. Means nature spirit. In nature spirits where creating and motivating words of plants are the animals. For example, see, if you interfere with nature, you will suffer for it. For example, For many a time, if we suffer for the nature. Summary of Unit 4. The door swings open. This this is for a lady, the the first ever lady doctor of the world. This is all about the lady doctor Elizabeth. One day morning, the door swings open. The dean become with the dean came with a girl and introduced with the males. There were 150 plus males in the classroom. Let's see the background of this summary. Nowadays, any field, every field, we can say every field, in the every field, women are as important as men are. Women are as men are. That time of Elizabeth, though no university was ready to accept the lady doctor, lady student for his college. There was the Amazon, a courageous woman, a determined to be a doctor. One day she received a letter from the Geneva College that that uh, she is enrolled in a Geneva College. She can. The benefits were that of the admitting the enrolling of the ladies Elizabeth in the college was this that before the mischievous, naughty, and the all bad habits and the boys. After the Elizabeth, they keep to quiet. Before the lectures, which professor wanted to deliver, they start the noise. They starting the noise. They couldn't even single listen a single word. But after the Elizabeth enrolled, every single letter could be listened clearly. Before they go to the near villages and they make sounds, the villagers were uh, fed up these boys and they are always complained about the boys, the students. After the Elizabeth, they became they became quiet and they left all the mischiefs for the in for a lady. These were the benefits of the enrolling the Dr. Elizabeth, an American lady, to the Geneva College. Thanks for the lecture. My name is Nematullah Kausuf. Please subscribe, share, and like the channel. Thank you.